anybody up here.
No.
And it's all good. So as long as you guys kind of police yourselves and help.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extraordinary.
Alright, what's up guys? Hope you guys doing good today. So today I kind of got convinced to go to a car meet, which I wasn't really going to go to. Because I have a show tomorrow. So there's going to be a show tomorrow I'll be filming. That video will be up on Sunday. This one will be up tomorrow. And yeah, there's a show tomorrow, so I got to get ready. As you guys can see, my car is not fairly ready. The whole car is dusty and dirty and everything. And I got to get my backpack out of my car. Because guys, yes, I still go to school full time. So before I got interrupted by someone that just came by, yeah, like I said, I still go to school. I am full time, by the way. But right now I gotta get a little bit ready for tomorrow's show because the car meet's not until 8:30 and it's like 5 something. So I know it's gonna be a long day because I remember Spokane, that show, I was not prepared. I didn't even bring chairs, nothing, water, nothing like that, and it was like a 10-hour show. Then Hot Import Nights, I did bring a chair and water, so I was ready. So this show, I'm gonna be ready too. And that chair that I took to Hot Import Nights, I think someone else took it, so now I don't have a chair. The one I took, so I need to go look for a new one. Anyway, ow. And I don't see any chairs that we have, to be honest. And it's gonna be hot, so I need some umbrellas as well. Maybe. And someone just hit me up. Okay. So one problem. We might have chairs and umbrellas in this little house right here that we have in the back, but I don't have the key. My dad has the key. So I'm gonna have to wait. Oh look, there's a chair over there. Never mind. But sure, I just gotta make myself a chair. I don't know whose is it, but I'm taking it. If they don't find it the next day, it wasn't me. So I got a chair. I don't think I got umbrellas for sure. Sorry, Socardo. Yeah, he's gonna be coming with me to the show. A lot of people that I know are gonna be going to the show. The show's actually in my town. It's actually like 1 minute away from where I live, so that's a great benefit of it. Alright, so first up, of course, I gotta hit the gas station because I didn't have any gas, like always, because 350Z problems. But now I'm just gonna get ready and wait for my friend to hit me up when to come over so we could all leave together at the same time to the meet. Wait, hold on. Is this who I think it is? Is this who I really think it is? Oh! You got this one right here?
Yeah.
All right, if you could move so she could pump gas. Yeah, he's about to move.
Thank you.
All right. Anyways, so how did I land here? Like I said before, I was saying that I didn't know if I should come to the meet or not because I have a show tomorrow. I don't want to risk the car. It's like a 40-minute drive from my home, and a lot of people were telling me to come to the meet. So here I am, waiting for other people to meet up. Got my Z, got his Z. We got the Acura, Eric over there, and we're waiting for a couple more people, I believe. So yeah. Also, my side splitter fell off eventually last week, and I just literally put it on right now. So I got it back on. I'm thinking of buying new ones, so I might sell that one eventually. I'm gonna get the Street Arrow ones and a Street Arrow diffuser, and that's about it. That lady put in E85 on an Impala. We got another Subaru owner. But like I said, that lady was putting E85 and she's still putting E85. Like, bro, like, what is you doing?
Hey, nice car, man.
What's up, bro?
Nice videos too, man. I'm a big fan.
I wasn't supposed to see this guy till next week. Wow, 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 wow. That Fitment. No. If you want. I just got here. Ah, what the? You guys just got here or you guys were?
Just chilling, come say hi.
Oh, well, I literally just came to. Bro, I'm loving your fenders more and more. Bro, both of them. What happened with those fenders?
Oh shit.
He's like, oh shit.
I feel bad that I left you guys.
What, is that?
He's making his money back.
Is that Chunch? Where's the drifting?
No?
Where's the drifter at?
Video shoot.
No.
Drifter.
Oh. Bro, I was asking him where's his drift car and it's right there. And I'm talking to him. The most famous Chunch.
Chunch TV.
Wait, hold on, let me get a close up. Very nice.
Oh shit, fucker, gold wheel!
What the?
Big, bro.
Okay. Alright guys, so we're at the meet. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of the cars that are here in the meet. Freaking Josh doesn't want to let me go anywhere. He wants me to stay with him. And he's just on his phone.
About to drift, bro.
Oh, he's about to drift? This comes to a car meet and plays video games on his phone.
What's important?
Especially drifting. No, I wish.
You fucking little.
What's important?
Hold on, let it load.
Look at this 12-year-old, bro. He's already.
He's 12, but he drives this?
Yeah.
He's a drifter too.
Yeah, I'm a drifter too.
You gotta teach me how to drift. I want to learn. Like I said, guys, he was playing drifting game.
Mom is way. Just go to Sonoma.
That's how you learn how to drift. You play on the game first.
Just go to Sonoma.
I had this game before and I kept crashing. Maybe that's why I shouldn't be a drifter.
Oh, I fucked up.
Bruh, he's playing the game of his dreams, dude.
He wishes he had a Mustang.
Nah.
He said nah, but he drives in a Mustang.
Oh, like that. Oh, no, you guys.
Driving aired out?
Damn near.
Bruh, guys, look at that Fitment. That's hella bad. Where's the flames at? Oh. Well, the light just got brighter here. I haven't even gone to the other side of the freaking meet because I'm too lazy and I'm talking to these people over here. But they're not looking at me, so it's all good.
Slowly fuck up the car. Oh shit. Oh, that's, yeah, let's go there.
All right. You want to be in a car like that?
They make a different kind of video.
Yeah. Like, yeah.
Josh. Whoa. What's up? Damn, that's a lot of stickers.
Oh, that's for the team.
Oh.
Hey,
They're all coming? Guys, if you guys didn't know, he did all this with Sharpie himself.
Yeah, you can tell.
I like your art.
Oh, thank you.
Alright guys, so me and Eric are gonna go walk around. Not a really big spot, so there's only limited of walking. I seen that guy in Vacaville. He said what's up to me, but I don't know which is the driver. But anyways, so we got domestic over here. Looks like they're just Mustangs, so we're gonna take a ride. We got a Subaru. A Subaru. Oh, that's the Integra you're talking about?
Yeah, dude.
Alright, so this Integra, here, you give them the information.
Alright, so this Integra is my boys. That's like 63,000 miles. It was a barn find. He bought it, I think, for like $7,000 or $6,000. He told me, but everything's OG, OEM, from the wheels to the fucking spoiler.
Everything.
Am I allowed to cuss?
Yes, you're allowed. Oh, you cussed?
Yeah.
I didn't hear you. I didn't hear you. But no, yeah, you're allowed. And it's a clean paint job and everything.
Original color.
Original color, just like his, but his is all fucked up. Like I said, his car, his paint job is so much better than his.
Weighs like 1 gram.
Boy.
You know, or half a gram or
Boy.
whatever. And just
Every matching though.
Oh yeah, we're matching. Look, my purple's. Oh, sorry, I come over here and it's blue and green. Wait, hold on. Oh,
That's what
there you go. There you go. That's purple, purple. And then let's just walk a little bit. Yeah, I'm sorry. Oof, look at here, right here. I like this angle right here.
Hey, so you know, the purpose of this is, you know, you get somebody calling the cops on you. They'll be like, "What color is your car?" And they'd be like, "Purple, green, yellow." What'd you say?
Exactly. So purple, blue, green, red, orange, yellow. I describe it as a rainbow car. People call it Skittles. I don't like that name personally, so I call it just rainbow. And to be honest, that's all the cars. I think there's more cars over here, so let's keep walking. Okay, I seen Josh over here, but Josh is not over here, to be honest. I think he's at work, but he parked over here.
So he has, like I said, it's legit.
We got all these people, and that's about it. And over there, but I'm not gonna walk over there because that's it. Oh yeah, I got that when it came. But yeah, that's all there is. I don't know what else to do. I could leave right now. I don't know what time is it. It's 9:32. And we've been here since 9. So it's 30 minutes. Not really a good time. But like I said, there's going to be a show tomorrow that I'll be in. There's going to be an after show also from 5 to 11 p.m. This show, the first is going to be 9 to 4. And I just watched my part, but I still got to get other things ready for it. This vlog will be up tomorrow. I'll be uploading during the show. I hope I get some good ass service. If not, I'll just go home because I live like 1 minute away from there. And the after show is also like 2 minutes away from there. He got pictures.
Oh, right here.
Oh, wait, is that the one that was at CMI?
I don't know. No, it's a dude.
No, it's right here.
Yeah, it's
Right drive.
It's from Florida? Oh, is it? From Florida?
It's not a GTR, but it's the GTR.
He got no room in there. No!
Here we are.
I guess you can't have one of these.
I think that one.
Wait, did you get my question? Any lenses?
Those are just people rolling in, so. Alright guys, this guy gutted everything out in his car and shit. Bruh.
Hold on, don't show the chick to turn it on. Oh, there's a...
He has like a trick to turn on his car and it's not working.
Hold on.
He said,
Oh,
hold
I
on.
had the fucking...
Come on. Come on. Right there.
Hold on.
Bruh. Bruh, that shit's stupid loud.
I mean, imagine hearing this all fucking day, bro. Probably like for a cool hour.
Bruh.
It's
just shakes and everything. No wonder this is all cracked.
That was like that.
Oh. I see your car. I thought you were working, bro. Oh. I don't know how much.
Take one, bro.
Alright, I'll just take one.
Is it lighter?
Take two if you want.
Nah, bro. I just your pizza, man. Bro, Josh is the man. Both of them right here. Both of them.
Have a good night.
Yeah, haven't
Yeah,
a good
behaving?
night so far.
Yeah.
No donuts in here yet?
No.
Please no. Please no.
I hope
Don't
not.
do that.
I know you guys don't. I just more and more intersections in our city are looking like flails. People act like idiots, and so the more that happens, the more we have to get laws. So as long as you guys can police yourselves and help us out, if we get crazy, that we will have. Because where we get complaints, right?
Yeah.
All the residential neighborhoods, people are spinning roadies and donuts and everything like that. So you guys have fun, be safe, all that. If something gets out of control, police yourselves and let us know.
Alright, thank you.
So just
I remember that when I was recording in a car meet, and then you were kidding around with me.
Was that were you the one I was going to give a ticket to?
No. He's getting himself in trouble.
It's cool. You too, man.
See ya.
Alright, you have a good one. See, cops like these are nice.
they're all nice. Like,
I remember him, bro.
He's trying to get himself in trouble again.
No, I remember him. I was recording at a car meet, the Nation Boys car meet.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, remember?
Remember that huge selfie?
It was him, bro. It was him. Yeah.
The gains.
I remember that.
The gains.
Man, absolutely.
Protein right there.
Alright guys, I'm about to head out now. I'm tired already, so I'm about to head out. I'm gonna try to say bye to Chanch. You leaving too? Alright, so yeah. Me is pretty over. I'm about to leave. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for tomorrow's show and then after show, back to back vlogs. See you guys next time.
Darling,